Hi, Howie. What you doing? Hi. Did you get a haircut? Oh my goodness. That's Howie, our neighborhood cat. He is the sweetest, softest. Get out of there! Get out of there! Oh shit. Howie. Get out. Come in. Come here. Come here. I like your haircut. He just crawled into our crawl space. Hi. Hey, handsome. Okay. Well, it looks like we're gonna have a special guest today on the channel. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Danielle. I am the owner of the Millie Life and the Millie Life YouTube channel. I am so freaking pumped that you guys are here. If you're new to the channel, I post new motorcycle videos every Thursday and exercise videos throughout the month. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you do not miss out. At the end of this video, if you liked what you watch, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. And below, as always, I've got all my recording gear, my riding gear, and Millie Life apparel are in the links below in the description, so check those out. Today, I'm changing it. Let's go. So today we are headed over to the Social Security Administration office. Woo! Adulting. I am changing it. I am changing my name. For many of you that have been watching the channel for a while, you know I got married back in October, and I've been dragging my feet on changing my name, not because I don't want to take my husband's name or anything like that, but just because it is a pain in the ass. So we're starting with the Social Security Administration, and we're headed south on the motorcycle, so I'm sure we're gonna see some beautiful roads, and I wanna take you guys along with me. And then, you know, I don't think I'm doing the DMV today, but that will get done in the next week or two. And then passports, and then going through all your usernames, and yeah, just, you know, going through everything. So that process starts today. I'm taking you guys along for the ride. I also showed you one of the weirdest / coolest things one of my clients has ever given me. So I wanted to show you guys what is in my fridge, because this might be one of the weirdest things that's ever been in my fridge. This is a praying mantis egg. I'll tell you guys more about that. When we get a container set up for that thing, I gotta get a stocking to create a mesh barrier. Oh my gosh, this cat. I gotta show you guys. What are you doing? Huh? Are you gonna do some work? Oh, what's up there? Yeah. You need the tools. So I have to get a pantyhose or stocking or something with mesh to cover the top so that they can't crawl out the air holes, because this is what they look like when they hatch. Yeah, and there's like 250 of them. So I don't want any of those in my house. Outside, yes. In the house, no. So I need to do that. And then we'll take them out of the fridge and keep them out in the garage is what I'm thinking, and wait for them to hatch. This is mostly for Mateo, something cool that he can see, because it kind of skeeves me out that I have a praying mantis egg in my refrigerator right now, but hey, mom life. So come along with me for the ride. Let me know in the comments below, have you enjoyed the wonderful process of changing your name, and how did that go? So let's jump on the motorcycle and let's ride.
right, just pulled in here. That was a pretty fun ride. A little bit chilly, but let's go get this done. All finished up, 7-10 business days, and we're good to go. Woo!